All right, guys, this is Samantha Loren with the National Desk, and the DOJ has just released hundreds of thousands of Jeffrey Epstein files literally just 30 minutes ago. And this is going to take a long time to review here. So I do have some notes that I'm going to be referring to. And the photos are what you really want to be looking at right now because we for sure can confirm that famous people like Michael Jackson, Diana Ross, Kevin Spacey, Mick Jagger, and Bill Clinton are in these files. Bill Clinton is actually in a lot of these photos. And you could click on the link in the caption to take a look yourself as well. Now, just for some context on why these files are being released today, it's because the Justice Department was supposed to release all of the files under a bill passed by Congress and signed by President Trump, but they're not releasing all of those files today. So, there's hundreds of thousands of files. These are not the full files. The latest release contains Epstein's phone, travel, financial records, summaries of witness statements, and internal memos about the strength of evidence. And again, you can look through all of that, which is connected to the DOJ's website in our bio, which has the link to our website. Now, Democrats on the House Oversight Committee say the Justice Department broke the law by not releasing all of the required files, and they're now looking into their legal options. In case you aren't familiar with the Epstein Files Transparency Act, it requires the DOJ to release all unclassified records related to Jeffrey Epstein. This comes as congressional panels have slowly released documents from Epstein's estate, which we saw began back in July. And it's frustrating many members of the public who feel there hasn't been enough transparency in this case. You have people like Marjorie Taylor Greene who are still avidly speaking out about this. And so far, the DOJ hasn't said when exactly the rest of these files is going to be made public, even though the law set the deadline to today. Now, while the department is allowed to redact information to protect victims and ongoing investigations, the law does not allow for a gradual rollout of this release. If any files are withheld or heavily redacted, the DOJ must explain why to Congress within 15 days. The National Desk does have articles containing detailed documents, photos, and a lot more. So be sure to click that link in our bio. And we will be working on bringing you updates all night long. So keep checking our website as well. That's thenationaldesk.com for all live updates.